Hello guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing the GoPro Hero Black number 8, and this is what the box look like. I'll be unboxing it. At the bottom there's a tab, pull it out. So this thing is a 12 megapixel picture and 4K 60, 1080, 240 video, AX slow motion. You could live stream with it, time warp. You got image stabilization, and this thing have like there's a mount at the bottom too. It's a little different from the 7, I think. Now I gotta figure out how to pull it out. I think I'll rip the whole thing out. Can't pull it down. Okay, it's coming down. It's a little bit, take a lot of time. I think I'll rip off the box. No idea how it will come out. Oh, you gotta pour it down a little bit harder. There you go. It doesn't want to come out. Here we go. Yeah, this thing have the mount. Lift this tab up and pull it out. So you couldn't use this, just there. Okay, this is what the camera looked like. I rip this off. Okay. I should still trying to figure out how to. Oh, this is pretty cool. So this is the whole camera. Let me see if I can take this off. The screen protector. Here we go. It's so hard to take. There you go. The screen protector is off. That's the camera. Let me take a look at the instruction. See what's in here. The box. There's a manual. And it comes with the mount too. This can mount to your car or whatever. Come with a USB-C charging cable, battery, and this whole thing. This will go in here. You put it to your car and mount it to the camera. So at the bottom you have this, so you can mount it. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to figure out how to open this for the battery compartment. I think I have to read the manual. Oh, here we go. This thing come out like... Okay. Yeah, you pull this tab out and it should pop. Oop. I pulled too hard. This thing come off. Okay. So I guess this thing you can take it out too. Snap it. It just snap back in. If you pull too hard and it will come out easily. It's very easy to come off. But once in there and you lock it, it's gonna be tight. Yeah, so this thing is it's different from the 7. That is so weird how it's come off like that. Okay, I'm gonna try to put the battery in. So there's a slot for a USB, the USB charger, and the slot for the micro SD card. And that's the slot for the micro SD card. And this slot is for you to charge. Let me try to put the battery in. Yeah, so I guess you can take this off if you don't want the waterproof. Yeah, but this thing is very different from the 7. And close it up. And you lock it. Alright guys, that's all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.